be more careful who you confide in. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Welcome KK Squad, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't change the channel, just enjoy the channel. Just enjoy me, just enjoy my hairstyles. We lit over here. Be up on the channel here. Krissy channel.
Today I'll be doing something super simple, super easy. Some clip-ins to
change it up a little bit. Just can't keep one hairstyle all the time.
It's 16 inches, water wave clip-ins, the color 1B. My hair is kinda #1, but this gotta work. So this hair was sent to me for free. And I'm like super excited to try this hair. The seller, awesome. Communication on point. They know how to take care of their customers, and I like that. That's the first thing I could say about this company. This is the package it came inside of. Also, it came with free lashes. The amount of free lashes me have, and I don't try them yet. I want to try them, but just to take pictures. And 2 extra clips in case you lose a clip or something, you have extra clips. They also sent that. And the lashes in this cute little box. Very pretty hair. I like it. Now I have to get up back and go for scissors, and I was not planning on doing that. Like, why can't I remember everything that I need? Oh, I'm strong. Oh, I don't need no scissors. Who needs scissors? Oh, I think I popped the ear there. This is the curl. Beautiful. Gosh, me just look like one little bird with that hairstyle. I just have my hair braided back, and I have like just leave out the sides, plus I'm gonna do a side part. Let's get right into the video. So I'm spraying a little bit of water on the hair just to pull the curls apart so I could get this hairstyle to look more full. So what I'm doing here is I open the clips, and then I stick the clip inside the braids. First and foremost, I use the shorter piece first, the 2 clips length, and then after I'll be using the 3 clips length, and then I keep going long, short, just to get it balanced and looking even. So now, as you can see, I'm finally in the front, and I am placing the clip-ins the direction the braids are going. So I'm finally done with the clip-ins. Honestly, it is so easy, so simple. It took me probably 10 minutes to just clip those in real fast. So now I'll be blending my natural hair with the clip-ins. So to blend my hair with the clip-ins, I'll be using water, and then I'll be using the Eco Styler olive oil gel just to get it to blend in with the curly hair. I'm applying gel all over from the ends to the root so I could have that wet look. Then I'll be using a scarf to tie my hair down so my hair blends in with the clip-ins. I tied my hair for like 20-25 minutes. So this is the final result for this hairstyle. I really love this hair. I love the curls, especially when it's wet. It's so pretty. This is just a simple, easy, quick hairstyle, something you can do in less than 10 minutes. Not too much hassling, nothing too crazy, just something cute and simple. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please remember to hit that bell to be notified when I post videos, and also please remember to subscribe. And again, thank you, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.